What if the most mind-bending hotel on Earth doesn't reach for the sky? It dives into the Earth? 30 kilometers from downtown Shanghai, I'm standing on the rim of an abandoned quarry, and the hotel is down there. 88 meters below ground. It's called the Subterranean Wonderland Hotel, officially the Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland. Instead of fighting nature, it hugs it. Designed by Atkins Global, engineered by Ecaddy, the building curves with the quarry walls. Like architecture learned the cliff's language. There are 18 floors, 16 of them underground, 2 are actually underwater. Every room faces a glass curtain wall that mirrors the cliffs and a waterfall that pours into the quarry's lake. You don't just look at nature here, you live inside it. This place flips the script on sustainability. It turns a scarred industrial pit into a 5-star ecosystem. No new land consumed. A green roof blends into the rim, insulating the building and saving energy. Materials and orientation pull in natural light, while geothermal systems cut the power load. Adaptive reuse, but make it luxury. Engineering this? Wild. The structure is anchored straight into the rock face, tied to a reinforced concrete. Those underwater floors? Pressure-resistant steel and glass built to handle hydrostatic pressure while giving panoramic views of a living aquatic ecosystem. Getting around feels like theater. 2 glass elevators slide down the cliff, revealing the quarry like a curtain opening. A central atrium funnels daylight from above through skylights and mirrored shafts, so even underground the sun finds you. Completed in 2018, this hotel doesn't compete with skyscrapers. It inverts them. It proves that bold design can repair what industry left behind and make it beautiful. The future of sustainable architecture isn't just taller, it's smarter.